Hello guys, it's Alan from Ether. Welcome to Guangzhou Accuvon Pumps Limited Corporation. Our company is the Sino-German joint venture established in 2008. And today it's my great honor to be here to make a tour guide about our company. So without further ado, let's get started.
Our company specializes in design, development, manufacturing, sales, engineering applications, and technical services for rotary lobe pumps. In accordance with the German DA industrial standards and technical requirements, licensed manufacturing and sales of Accuvon brand rotary lobe pump in China. In the past 15 years, Accuvon has focused on the field of rotary lobe pumps and is committed to providing customers with professional technical support and perfect solutions. More than 1,000 projects have been implemented, with partners from all walks of life in China. Up to now, the company has applied for more than 15 patents, an obtained Quality Management System Certificate ISO 9001, Environmental Management System Certificate ISO 14001, Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certificate ISO 45001, and etc. Here is our company's first workshop. The main application of Accuvon pump include float control and drainage, railway systems, vacuum drainage, gasoline and diesel, unloading pumps, zero leakage pumps, oily sewage lifting pumps, sludge rotor pumps, cement landfill pumps, and slurry rotor pumps. We have strict quality management of production process. All factory equipment codes are unique and traceable, and each customer's file is permanently archived in the Document Control Center as a guide for after-sales service.
This is our company's incoming materials inspection area. The quality inspectors inspect the incoming materials according to the incoming material process to ensure that the quality of the incoming materials meets the requirements of the drawings. This is the second workshop of Accuvon, which has a pump check system assembly workshop, strictly following the technical requirements of the process flow. We are responsible for the assembly and debugging of pump check systems of various models and specifications here. The flow control and drainage pump system including trailer rotor pump vehicle, mounted part rotor pump, and skid-mounted rotor pump unit. The advantages of flow control and drainage pump check is strong self-priming, which is vertical self-priming height from 8 to 9.5 meters. Lift can reach 250 meters. It also has large flow. The single pump flow can reach 1,600 cubic meters per hour. Double pump flow can reach 3,200 cubic meters per hour. It also has other advantages such as fast water filling, dry running, no blockage, and easy adjustment to flow.
Thank you for watching. If you are ready to take your business to the next level, connect us today and experience the difference of working with a company that's committed to excellence.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.